Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and today is another Meatless Friday. Today I'm going to make my stuffed shells. These are so easy. They only take like 5 ingredients, super easy to do. Anybody can do it, and they always turn out really nice, and it's a nice option for a Meatless Friday. Today is the last Friday in Lent, Good Friday. It's always a juggling act for me because it's Good Friday and a Meatless Friday for those observing Lent. But oftentimes, tonight is also Passover. And we also observe Passover. And since we're not doing the full service this year for Passover, I will pay tribute to that tomorrow with a really nice lamb roast for our Passover observance. So, I'm going to show you what goes into these and how to make them. Like I said, they're not hard to do. So here you go. This is it. Spaghetti sauce, which that's my home put together spaghetti sauce. The jumbo stuffed shells. If I knew how to make them homemade, I would. I know how to make homemade pasta, but I'm not sure how to get the shape on those big shells like that. So that's something I still got to figure out. I like using the 4 or 5 cheese Italian blend for this. Some Italian seasoning, and then the other part I use cream cheese. Now some people will use egg as a binder for this, but I like using the cream cheese better. I just don't like the egg in it. I don't know why, but I use cream cheese and it goes naturally to make the 5 cheese blend. It makes it really creamy and yummy. So I'm going to work on getting this assembled. And all I've done is taken my shredded cheese, added my cream cheese, which I softened a little bit to make it easier to work with, and I'm going to sprinkle in some seasoning. Not a lot, just a little, just enough to give it some flavor. And all I'm going to do is work these together so I get this all incorporated. And while I'm doing this, my pasta is cooking up, and as soon as that's ready, we'll come back after this is mixed and that's cooked, and we'll stuff them. So there's my cheese mixture all mixed up. And if you're wondering how many shells you need to do this, usually one package will do a 9x11 pan. But if you want to know more precisely, just take your dry shells and place them in your dish, and that will give you a good idea. These always expand, of course, as they cook up, and you might have a couple broken ones, but this is always enough, and you will have exactly what you need for a full pan of stuffed shells. The next thing I'm going to do before we put our shells in is I'm going to put a layer of sauce on the bottom here, like so. Time to drain the pasta. Now I rinsed and drained my shells with cool water, cool them off, so they stop cooking, and so I can stuff them. And this isn't anything special or elegant. Just take a ball of cheese. Make sure they get unfurled here. But just like that. And we're going to set them in a dish. Make another bowl. Just like that. And we'll continue to stuff them and fill the dish. Next thing I'm going to do is take my sauce. I'm going to make sure they're covered. And I'll have the amounts down in the description below. I used half a brick of cream cheese. I used four, these are 8-ounce packages. So 4 8-ounce packages of the 4 cheese, half a brick of cream cheese, not quite 4, I'm not going to use all of this on the top here, and I don't know, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning maybe. Yeah, maybe I will. Everything's better with cheese. And a quart of the sauce. You can use whatever kind you like. I put my own together, so a lot less sodium doing your own. So, and one last sprinkle across the top. She's ready to go in the oven. There she is, out of the oven. So that's what it looks like, just coming out. I'm gonna let this cool a few minutes, and then you know what comes next. So you know what time it is. And I'm just gonna show you quick how this came out. Like that. And now for the test. Oh man. Oh, that's yummy, cheesy goodness. Oh man. That was so good. It's like real good comfort food. Some people use egg in the cheese mixture for the filling. Like I said, I prefer to just use the cream cheese. Gives it a little bit more creaminess and acts just perfectly fine as a binder. So, that is my cheesy stuffed shells. And I'm going to finish it up. So, that's an easy one for you. It's good during the week anytime. It's also excellent if you want a dish to take away. Feed a lot of people. And you can make up a couple pans of these really easy. And it's not expensive to make either. So, those are my stuffed shells. Give them a try and tell me what you think. And enjoy here on this Good Friday. Have a blessed Good Friday and enjoy your Easter weekend.